There's no denying the confusion surrounding the best and worst foods for a healthy heart. Are eggs on or off the menu? What about full-fat milk and butter? 2 years ago, the Heart Foundation updated its guidelines to reflect the latest research. Here's what it found. Number 1. Full-fat dairy foods are okay. Full-fat dairy foods like yogurt, milk, and cheese are back on the menu as part of a healthy diet. This doesn't mean reduced fat products are bad for you. So if you prefer skim or low-fat varieties, you don't need to make any changes. It also doesn't mean that full-fat products are healthier. The latest evidence reveals full-fat dairy foods have a neutral effect on heart disease risk, which means they don't increase or decrease your risk for heart disease and stroke. If you already have heart disease or high cholesterol, it's still recommended you eat reduced-fat dairy products. Number 2. Eat less meat and more plant protein. This one isn't exactly new, as many people are already reducing their meat intake, but the latest evidence indicates red meat consumption increases the risk of heart disease and stroke, and may lead to weight gain. The Heart Foundation has introduced a recommendation to limit the amount of unprocessed beef, lamb, and veal we eat to 350 grams a week. That equates to about 1 to 3 lean red meat meals a week. Instead, we should aim to eat more heart-healthy plant protein foods, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, as well as fish and seafood. As for the humble egg, which has copped plenty of criticism over the years, the limit on how many eggs a healthy person can consume in a week has been removed. This means you can enjoy them daily if you wish. If you have diabetes or high cholesterol, it's recommended you limit your egg intake to no more than 7 eggs a week.